I'm responding to the question asked by the Honorable Pramila Kumar on the eligibility of Girmitya descendants and those registered in the Vola Kawa Bula holding foreign citizenship to enter Fiji without a permit. My response, I started the response on Friday the 13th of October 2023. The Fiji Immigration Department and the Ministry of Tokay Affairs formalized their collaboration by signing a memorandum of understanding to carry out the mandatory responsibilities outlined in the Immigration Act. The amended Immigration Act of 2003 allows the Tokay individuals who are registered in the Vola Kawa Bula to enter, reside, and work in Fiji under exemption status, as specified in Section 8(1)(g) of the Act. Similarly, Girmitya descendants are eligible under exemption by descendants, as outlined in Section 8(3). Mr. Speaker, sir, the Department has implemented a multi-layered approach to verify the eligibility of Girmitya descendants who are exempted by descent and VKB registered individuals who hold foreign citizenship for permit-free entry into Fiji. These measures ensure the integrity of Fiji's border management while honoring historical and cultural obligations. Girmitya descendants exempted by descent are granted Girmitya descendant exemption by descent is granted to a direct descendant of a person that is the principal citizen who was considered a citizen of Fiji on the 10th of October 1970 and a holder of a valid foreign passport to enter, reside, study, and work in the country. Direct descendants include the principal citizen's children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. You probably know, Mr. Speaker, sir, that in Africa, during the wave of independence movement, when the African states became independent, they granted citizenship to people whose great-grandfather was a citizen of that country or a citizen of that colony. Jomo Kenyatta was one of the examples of the first independent move leaders. Speaker, sir, under the Immigration Act of 2003, Section 8(3), Girmitya descendants who hold foreign citizenship can enter Fiji without a permit if they meet specific eligibility criteria and provide the necessary documentation. This criteria ensures that descendants can maintain their ancestral ties while preserving the integrity of Fiji's immigration system. The eligibility criteria and documentation requirements for Girmitya descendants are as follows. First, individuals must provide evidence that links them directly to Girmitya ancestors who arrived under the indentured labor system. Two, a request letter from the applicant to be submitted by the applicant's parents if the applicant is below the age of 18 years. Three, support letter from the applicant's guardian and copy of guardian's valid national photo ID if the applicant is below 18 years of age and will not be residing with either parents in Fiji. Four, certified copy of the applicant's valid passport biodata page. Five, two recent passport size photographs. Six, certified copy of birth certificate. Seven, copy of parent's passport biodata pages if the applicant is below 18 years of age. Certified copy of marriage certificate if applicable. 9, copy of foreign citizenship certificate if applicable. 10, police clearance if the applicant is above 18 years of age from the country of citizenship or country of current or normal residence. 11, medical report must be conducted with 3 months prior to the date of lodgement Mr. Speaker, I will table the response after, and will also be circulating these to the foreign embassies for the information of the Fiji diaspora. Proof of funds, example, copy of bank statement issued in the last 3 months, a support letter from a Fiji citizen considered to be a family elder, confirming the relationship of the applicant to the principal citizen, and a copy of his or her valid national photo ID and birth certificate. 14, official document to prove the past or present existence of the principal citizen on whom your ancestry claim is based. For example, copy of Fiji passport, Fiji citizenship certificate, birth certificate, death certificate, marriage certificate, etc. 15, official documents to prove the applicant's relationship to the principal citizen. For example, copies of those certificates. 16, copy of current permit or exemption if already residing in the country. 17, local police report or clearance, lodgement receipt if the applicant is above 18 years of age, only applicable for extension application. 18, copy of employment contract or company registration form and letter is only applicable also for extension application and if the applicant is working or investing in the country. 19, copy of previous exemption, only applicable for extension. 20, search fee of $12.30 for record search conducted to confirm the principal citizen's Fiji citizenship. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Immigration Act of 2003, specifically under Section 81G, grants exemption status to Itoke individuals registered in the VKB, allowing them to enter, reside, and work in Fiji without requiring a permit. A registered individual in the Kawa Bula is granted to a person registered in the VKB maintained by the Itoke Land Commission and holder of a valid foreign passport to enter, reside, study, and work in the country. The eligibility criteria and documentation requirements for registered individuals in the VKB are as follows. Completed exemption application form, request letter from the applicant to be submitted by the applicant's parents if the applicant is below 18 years of age, support letter from the applicant's guardian, and a copy of the guardian's valid national photo ID if the applicant is below 18 years of age and will not be residing with either parent in Fiji. Certified copy of the applicant's valid passport biodata page, 2 recent passport photographs. So mostly they are the same, they run parallel. The Girmitya descendants and the VKB descendants. Parallel all the way, Mr. Speaker, sir, in the applications. The department conducts cross-verifications with national databases through collaboration with the Ministry of Itoke Affairs on the VKB registration. For Girmitya descendants, historical and archival records are accessed in collaboration with cultural and heritage institutions. Additionally, citizenship verification is carried out through the citizenship unit. Mr. Speaker, sir, the department also conducts identity security checks, such as signatures, facial comparisons, and passport data matched against existing immigration records to ensure authenticity and prevent identity fraud. So it's a very complicated and detailed response to a very valid question with the fluidity of the population we now have in and out, and I believe it should be presented at the end of my time for honorable members to look up if they have any related cases or relatives to communicate them to. Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister.